I also want to address a point raised by the Honourable Member, Mr. Fadli Fawzi, in his maiden speech yesterday, which he delivered in Malay. I listened quite carefully to it. He paints meritocracy as corrosive, an ideological belief to justify and explain away inequality and the lot of those left behind. I must disagree. Meritocracy in Singapore is not an ideology. It is a principle of fairness. The danger is not in practicing meritocracy, but abandoning it. Because success would depend then not on effort or talent, but on connections and privilege. That is not a we-first society. That is a some-first society. Our meritocracy is not a perfect system, and that is why we are here, to refine it, to strengthen it, to make sure that meritocracy in Singapore remains fair and real, not just in principle, but in practice. And the truth is, meritocracy in Singapore has never stood still. We have broadened and deepened the definition of meritocracy precisely to address the risks Mr. Fadli raised. But there are many issues at play that weigh families down regardless of effort or merit. And while we must keep improving our system, I hope we remember both Fadli and I are ourselves beneficiaries of Singapore's meritocracy. It is this system that enabled us, children from ordinary families, to study, to work, and now to serve in this House. So there is no need to disparage or dismiss the system that has uplifted and continues to uplift so many. And certainly there is no need to mischaracterize it to our community as promoting the belief that those who succeed are entitled to their success because they have worked hard, while those who are left behind deserve to be left behind because they have not worked hard enough.
Mr. Speaker, I believe that the Honourable Member has mischaracterized what I said in my speech. I did not say to abandon meritocracy. What I was saying was that meritocracy, when it's taken to the extreme, it discourages our solidarity with the vulnerable. And I believe even in her speech herself, she gave a lot of examples of the people who are falling through the cracks of the system. And I think ultimately these are the people who we both are advocating for.
I think the member now says that his point was if meritocracy is taken to the extreme, but that is precisely the problem of his argument. In Singapore, we don't take meritocracy to the extreme. We adapt it, we make it work, and we are practical in our application of meritocracy.